Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a keyboard from EPOMAKER. This is a full-size 108 keys keyboard. So hot swappable, we have some features right here. Hot swappable, Type-C wireless 2.4 GHz dongle, mechanical keyboard with numpad. So basically this is how it looks. We have all the keys. Hot swappable means you can change the switches and the keys as you like. As I said, 3-mode connection, Type-C wireless and 2.4 GHz wireless, and RGB, 8000 milliamp hours battery, and it's compatible with both Windows and Mac. And this is how the box looks like. Pretty nice looking box. On the back we have basically the same stuff. It just gives us a preview of the keyboard and what it can do. Designed by EPOMAKER, made in China. And pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now that everything is out of the box, this is pretty much what we get. So we have a switch and a keycap puller right here, pretty basic one. This bit right here takes out the keycaps, and this other bit right here takes out the switches. They included some spare switches as well. That are silent linear switches. We have a braided cable, USB Type A to USB Type C, which can be used to both charge the keyboard or use it in basically wired mode. We have an instruction manual right here, shortcuts, how to pair it, shortcuts for Mac as well, because this is compatible with Mac. So I suggest you give this a read. It will help you understand what this keyboard can do. And of course we have the keyboard itself right here with a dust cover. So they included a dust cover, EPOMAKER branded, really nice. And this is how the keyboard looks. I really like the design with white and blue. I think it looks really good. If we have a look on the top right here, we have some switches. So we have Windows and Mac. Now it's set to Windows. We have the USB Type-C port. And then we have some options right here if you want to use it wired, wireless dongle or Bluetooth. You can connect it to multiple devices with Bluetooth, and if you press a key I think you will switch between them, which is really handy. And on the back you have some rubber feet right here. Got 4 of them. If you want to adjust the height of the keyboard, there's 2 levels of adjustment. So basically this is the first one. If you want to go higher, second one, same rubber feet on both. So once you place the keyboard, it won't go anywhere. On the left one right here, we have the USB dongle. So all you have to do is just pull it out from here, and then you can plug it to any available USB Type A port in your PC. And pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the keyboard. I'm gonna go ahead now and set it up at my PC. I'm gonna see how easy it is to connect. It should be plug and play, but we'll have to see that, and maybe we'll do a sound test. But this keyboard, it's very silent. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so the keyboard, it's connected to the PC. The setup was super simple. All you had to do is just pull out the 2.4 GHz transceiver from here, and after that you just plug it into any available USB Type A port on your PC. I have mine right here. I don't know if the camera will focus, but it says EPOMAKER on it. This is it right here, and it just works straight away. I turned off some of the lighting so you guys can see the RGB, so you can decide for yourself if you like it. It looks absolutely amazing. White desk, white Stream Deck, white mouse, everything just looks clean. And of course no wires, which I really like. I hate having a lot of wires on my desk, but some people prefer wired keyboards. I personally don't. And yeah, the keyboard is just super responsive. So for example, if I press the Windows key, there you go, as soon as I press it, it just goes. So I think it has 1000 hertz of pulling rate. Super responsive for being a wireless keyboard. And if we want to do a sound test, basically you guys won't hear anything because these are silent switches. So if I press on them, yeah, basically you cannot really hear anything because it's super silent. I really like that. Sometimes some people prefer silent switches, especially if you live with other people. You don't want them to hear all the clicks of the keyboard or the mouse, especially if you got a tiny space or you're sharing the same room. I don't have that issue, but sometimes it's nice to have a silent keyboard. I prefer talkie myself. I like to hear my clicks, but if you're into this, you can have the basic switches that it came with, or being hot swappable, you can always change the switches to whatever your heart desires. The RGB effect is pretty cool. To change it, again, read the instruction manual. You'll have everything in there, and pretty much that's it. Keyboard is a lovely keyboard. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.